Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll begin by preparing the phone so the update runs smoothly. First, back up important data to your Google account or an external drive because updates can fail. Once done, free at least 5 GB of storage and plug the charger in or ensure battery is above 50%. Make sure you're on a fast, stable Wi-Fi network. Then open Settings and navigate to System Advanced System Update to check for available updates. You'll now handle the core installation steps. Tap Check for Update and review the release notes so you know what changes or fixes are included. When the update appears, choose Download over Wi-Fi to avoid data charges and wait for the download to finish. Make sure apps are closed. Once downloaded, tap Install and let the phone reboot. During installation, you'll see progress. Do not power off the device. After reboot, follow any on-screen prompts to complete setup. You finish by verifying the update and resolving common problems. Check settings about phone to confirm the new Android version, then update apps in the Play Store to ensure compatibility. If the device gets stuck, force reboot and retry. If that fails, boot to recovery mode to wipe cache partition or apply the update manually from an SD card. If problems persist, contact the manufacturer or carrier for guidance because they can provide device-specific.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.